Hey, Wrangler 4xe fans, if you have a newer Wrangler 4xe, and I got to tell you, this video is not in regards to just the Wrangler 4xe, but it's something that probably is something more noticeable by 4xe owners, because we're just used to these things being very quiet, and when they're not quiet, we know there's a problem. So if you run into this issue, I'm going to show you how to fix it. If you listen real close, you can hear a popping when I'm opening and closing this door. And you may experience that at some point. You may go, wow, what is that popping sound? What's making that sound? And let me show you the very quick fix. You look and find your little ratchet tool that came with your Jeep Wrangler, and you come right in here, and you see that little bolt right there where the door thingy is. Give that a tighten, and now that popping is no more. So thank me later if you ever hear that popping going on. You're not one to normally remove your doors, and you might not know what's going on there. That screw has to come out when you pull the doors off, and if it becomes loose, that's where that popping's coming from. You're welcome in advance. Take care. Thanks for watching.